Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gyan by IITN. My name is Harsh and today we will explore the layout options in Global Mapper software. So first we will see how to insert the various attributes in layout option. Then most important, how to insert geographical coordinates such as latitude and longitude. Then after that, how to convert that image or a file into GeoPDF. GeoPDF means PDF with inbuilt latitude and longitude points, which can be the part of your report submission. Stay with us till the end of the video and I'm sure you will learn some important tools that will help you in your day-to-day office works. So let us start the video. So first we load the point file or any polygon or any area of interest. Then click on file, download, then download the SRTM file as per your requirement. If you want to learn how to load SRTM file, then see my previous video. Find the video link in the description. Moving forward, here is your file. Now I have to print that area into PDF file. First go to tools, then map layout editor. If you have a layout template, you can directly load here. But we are doing this for the first time. So first we will select the paper size. Then bound area from the visible area which you want the PDF. So this is your layout editor. Now we will go to insert option. There are so many options for which you can insert. First we will insert the elevation legend. Here you can also insert the name of the legend. As you can see, it is not clearly visible. The elevation legend is not clearly visible. So in that case, right click on the image, then go to properties. Then in this properties you will tick on draw frame on alignment. Now you can see it is clearly visible. After the elevation legend, the second option in the insert item is image element. You can insert an image. After that image, you can also insert map legend. You can use this option as per your requirement. Now after that, we will insert the north arrow element. There are so many options here. So select the type and click OK. Then after that, we will insert the scale bar element. Then you can also insert and text as per your requirement. I'm writing it sample layout for GeoPDF. There are other options also which you can explore, such as edit, format, pages, etc. For inserting latitude and longitude points to an image, first right click on the image, then go to properties, then select this grid frame option. Then in this option, select the latitude and longitude grid. Now you can also adjust the spacing between the coordinates. It's look very cumbersome. So to adjust the spacing, first right click on the image, then go to properties. Then in place of automatic, select the custom type. For example, I am giving here 2 minute spacing. This also looks very close. So in place of 2 minutes, we will change the spacing to 5 minutes. Now it looks okay. Now your layout is ready. Before making it into PDF, save this template for future work. Now go to File, then click on Geospatial PDF option. And after this, you can select resolution as per your requirement. For this video, I will insert a normal resolution of 600 dpi. Then click OK. Now you have to select the PDF name and export it. It will take some time as this is a heavy file. So this is your GeoPDF with all layout options and most importantly with latitude and longitude coordinates. If you find this video useful and if you have learned something new today, then share this video with your colleagues and with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for very insightful videos. My name is Harsh and I'll meet you in my next video.